Isinasangkot ng dating DPWH engineer na si Bryce Hernandez, si Senator Jinggoy Estrada at Senator Joel Villanueva sa kontrobersiya sa flood control projects. Ibinunyag din ng engineer ang mga proyekto na kinasasangkutan ng ilang opisyal sa pagdinig ng Committee on Public Accounts, Public Works and Highways and Good Government and Public Accountability. Narito ang bahagi ng hearing.
Tama po si Senator Lacson, ang mga engineers ng DPWH ay tila naging legman o bagman na lang. Kung tatanungin niyo po ako kung sino o kanino kami naging bagman, sasagutin ko na po ngayon. Sabi ni Senator Marcoleta kahapon, ligtas ka na. Hindi po ito totoo. Si Senator Jinggoy Estrada, Senator Joel Villanueva, Yusek Robert Bernardo, at D. Alcantara. Si Senator Jinggoy po ay nagbaba ng 355 million ngayong 2025 sa mga ilang projects sa Bulacan. Ang sabi po ng boss ko dito ay 30% ang commitment dito. Nagbaba po si Senator Jinggoy at ang kanyang SOP dito ay 30%. As per our District Engineer Henry Alcantara. Dineliver ito nung lumabas mga item na to sa GAA. Mga driver namin sa DPWH Bulacan First ang nag-deliver. Kausap nila si Christian Santiago at saka si Andre Balatbat. Galing din ito sa utos ni D. Alcantara. Noong 2023 naman ay naglabas ng 600 million si Senator Joel Villanueva at ang SOP nito ay 30% din. First, rehabilitation of flood control structure along Balagtas River, Barangay Panginay, Huwawa, Phase 3, Balagtas, Bulacan, with an amount of 75 million pesos. Construction of Bukawe River Flood Mitigation Structure, Station 12, plus 589 to Station 12, plus 739, at Barangay Bambang, Bukawe, Bulacan, with an amount of 75 million pesos. Construction of Bukawe River Flood Mitigation Structure at Station 4 plus 204 to Station 4 plus 354 at Barangay Turo, Bukawe, Bulacan with an amount of 75 million pesos. Construction of Bukawe River Flood Mitigation Structure Station 3 plus 036 to Station 3 plus 236 at Barangay Kaingin, Bukawe, Bulacan. Construction of this also has an amount of 75 million pesos. Number 5, construction of Bukawe River Flood Mitigation Structure Station 5 plus 466 to Station 5 plus 667 at Barangay Bunlo, Bukawe, Bulacan. It also has an amount of 75 million pesos. Construction of Balagtas River Flood Mitigation Structure at Station 3 plus 533 to Station 3 plus 683 at Barangay Santol, Balagtas, Bulacan with an amount of 75 million pesos also. Construction of Balagtas River Flood Mitigation Structure at Station 7 plus 654 Station 7 plus 804 at Barangay Dalig, Balagtas, Bulacan, also with an amount of 75 million pesos. And last is the construction of Balagtas River Flood Mitigation Structure at Station 14 plus 124 to Station 14 to 200 plus 274 at Barangay San Juan, Balagtas, Bulacan, also with an amount of 75 million pesos. And all in all with a total of 600 million pesos.
Can you state again for the record the total amount and that this is projects for which particular political personality,
600 million pesos last 2023 from Senator Joel Villanueva.